Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible just because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I have another China scholarship for you guys. I'll be sharing with you how you can travel to China for free. If this is something that you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And just so you know, I'm going to share with you a lot of tips that will help aid your application processes right in today's video. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these opportunities that I share with you guys on my channel. So yes, if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, I'm I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I share 3 videos every single week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that's about it. So guys, I share different kinds of scholarship opportunities ranging from United States to UK to China to Beijing to Canada, different parts of the world. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, let's go. Let's go. So here are some reasons why you want to study in China. Do you know that they have a rich cultural heritage? Yes, and they have modern innovation. See, China blends ancient traditions with cutting-edge innovation. I mean, from the Great Wall and Kung Fu philosophy to AI labs and smart cities. Students experience a unique fusion of history, and cultural progress. Do you know that this cultural immersion builds adaptability, it builds global awareness, and it also builds personal growth? See, just so you know, China is the gateway to Asia and global networking. See, China's central station, its central location in Asia, makes it a strategic hub for travel, for trade, and international networking. So when you study in China, it connects you to global peers, multinational companies, regional opportunities in countries like South Korea, like Japan, like Singapore. You also have career opportunities. See, in a booming economy, China is the second largest economy in the whole world and a leader in industries like manufacturing, like tech. In fact, it's the manufacturing hub of the world. That's what I say all the time. It's the leader in finance and, of course, green energy. And just so you know, many universities have strong ties to industry offering. So offering internship, research placements, and job pipelines for international students. And yes, if you have ever dreamed of mastering the Chinese language or teaching it around the world, I tell you, this scholarship is made for you. Have you heard of the CIS scholarship? It's also known as the International Chinese Language Leaders Scholarships, and they help international students to study Chinese language and culture free of charge. What can be better than that? And here is what it covers. See, it covers full tuition, it covers accommodation, and it covers a monthly allowance. So you can apply for short-term language programs, you can apply for bachelor's degrees in Chinese, or even master's in teaching Chinese as a foreign student. And who are the people who can apply? In case you're wondering, okay, who can apply? You will need strong motivation for learning Chinese, a good HSK score, and sometimes a recommendation from a Confucius State Institute or university. And here is what makes it special. This is what makes it unique. This scholarship is not just about academics. It's actually about cultural exchange. You will experience calligraphy, festivals, traditional arts, modern Chinese society up close. So if you actually want to blend education with cultural immersion, this is the perfect fit. Now, start preparing your documents early. Aim to apply very soon, because we're going to explore the easiest route for new students, the foundation and partial scholarship programs. So because on this channel, I'm sharing with you different ways, different pathways to traveling. So in such a way that you are not bearing a huge financial burden or cost. And if you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where are you watching from? In my next video, I'm going to share with you another Chinese scholarship that you want to take advantage of. Please make sure that you check out my previous videos. Check them out and apply for all those scholarships, those Chinese scholarships I've shared with you guys. Why? Because when you apply for multiple different routes, you stand a chance to win and you can get multiple admissions, which is good. It's not a crime to have multiple admissions. You have to choose one. You're just one person. At the end of the day, you have so many options to choose from. It's better than being denied in 10 different universities. So it's better to be picked, to be accepted in multiple universities than to be denied and have zero. that you're looking forward to. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for your love. Thank you for your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to let me know on this channel. Don't hesitate to let me know. This is not just my channel. Feel free to ask your questions. Feel free to express yourself. It's not just me, it's about you guys. I'm rooting for you and I'm working for you guys day and night. And if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you can go ahead and join my Patreon community. Yes, the Patreon link is right in my description, and you can also find it in the comments as well. So go ahead and join my Patreon community. That way you are able to book a one-on-one consultation with me. I am telling you, there are a variety of scholarships that are available, but guys, I know a lot of you are not aware of these scholarships. A lot of people are seeing these scholarships for the very first time by tuning to my channel. So please make sure that you join the family, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and click on all so that you get notified every single time that I upload a new video right here on this channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And here, it's not just my channel. Express yourself, right? And you can also join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button. When you click on the join button, you are also able to join my channel membership. And yeah, that way you can also get the perks of being a Patreon member. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me as long as you are a channel member. So if you want me to do research tailored to your specification, maybe you want me to find out more about scholarships in Belgium, for example, or in France, or you've dreamt all your life of traveling to Japan. If you want me to focus my research, my next set of researches around schools in Japan and scholarships in Japan, please let me know in the comments. I'm just giving an example. Or if there's any country of your choice that you've always loved, let me know as well in the comments. I'm rooting for you guys. I'm really, I'm working day and night for you guys. I worked till 2:30 in the morning looking for all of these opportunities just for you guys. And if you haven't joined my Telegram community yet, what are you waiting for? Click on it, join my Telegram community. You can find the link in the description as well. And just so you know, guys, besties, please express yourself and don't forget to share these videos with your friends. Share my video with your friends and your enemies, your colleagues, students in your school, colleagues in your office, your church members, your mosque members. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'm really excited, honestly, to share all of these scholarship opportunities with you guys. And yes, don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comments. And that's about it for today. In case no one has told you, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you apply. Even if you think that you don't qualify, just apply. You never know. You could win these scholarships. All right, take care, guys. I'm rooting for you. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.